trunk spoiler on a BMW F30, right? So we have the spoiler itself here that we're going to be installing. Have a cloth here to wipe off any sort of dust or residue on the trunk before the install. Have we 3M tape which is going to be applied to the spoiler to install it. And we have painter's tape to mark exactly how we're going to install the spoiler. So first off, on the spoiler itself, this spoiler came with the actual tape groove right around where the tape will be placed on the spoiler. So we'll be applying the tape on this groove right around the spoiler, as that will be the attachment points on the trunk. Next, we'll line the spoiler up on the trunk to check the fitment. Fitment may not always be exact with these aftermarket products. However, this one is almost perfectly lined up. In fact, it is perfectly lined up end to end. And after we have the spoiler perfectly lined up, we're going to use tape to mark it and hold it in place. And then we're going to show you guys the install. Alright guys, so laying the tape, we just go in with the curvature of the contact points on the spoiler and press the tape firmly as you go. Important to stretch the tape around the corners and press to apply. Make sure there's firm contact. Then when you get to the very end, mark where you're going to trim the tape. Use a sharp knife or X-Acto blade. Might be the easiest tool to use, and you just trim the tape at the end. Alright guys, so we applied the tape to the bottom part of the spoiler already, and he's just going to show you all a close-up after you align the spoiler on the trunk to make sure the fitment is good. You could use some painter's tape to hold it in place. Then we're going to raise the spoiler like this, pull off the tape from one end and start sticking it to the trunk. Alright guys, so spoiler applied with the tape. Just remove about 2-3 inches of the tape from the bottom. So as you pull the tape now, you press the spoiler to make sure that it is applied. Alright guys, your store line's spoiled now.
What?
Alright guys, your store line's spoiled now. Just pass the mark to make sure that it sticks completely. Pass and apply even pressure to it, just to make sure the adhesive on the tape sticks and holds properly. You'll probably keep pressure on it for about a minute or so after. If you guys are doing this install in a cold country or where it's not sunny outside, you can use a blow dryer or a heat gun to heat the trunk first, then heat the back of the tape, then apply it and put some pressure. And that's it, that's the install guys.